Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I am going to be doing these ornaments. I had already started with the silver. I used fine silver glitter, and I just filled in just the bottom portion of each of these molds. And what I want to do is I want to fill these with different colors. I'm just going to use 2 different colors. Just want to give some ideas for Christmas ornaments using resin. So what I have here is I have 8 ounces of resin that I have poured and mixed, and I'm going to take some of this. I want to take 4 ounces and put it in another cup. I did not run this through my vacuum chamber, but I did heat up part A in a warm water bath because my room is running a little cold this morning. It's cold here in Michigan. So there's that. Let me wipe this down. Oh no, I'll just leave that in there. Just get another stick. Let me get another one. Okay. So I have this glitter here. It's one of my favorites, actually. It's very deceiving. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to get a bigger spoon. I got some spoons here. And I am going to... I want this to be very... I don't want to see through the glitter. So I am going to... We'll start off with 2 scoops. Get that mixed in. I want to take this time to welcome all of my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are enjoying the content. Hopefully I can start getting more content out. My daughter and my granddaughters moved in here in July. My daughter has been unwell. So I have been the main caregiver to my granddaughters. I'm gonna put one more scoop in. So it's been an adjustment, to say the least. So hopefully we're getting on a better schedule and I can start doing this more often, like I was when I first started my channel. At least get some more content out, because I really enjoy doing this. I really enjoy talking to you guys and getting to know you guys in the comments and stuff like that. So that looks good. Looks nice and Christmassy to me. So I could still use that one. I have to use 2. So put the lid on this before I make a mess. I'm hoping I have enough resin or not too much resin. We'll see. I don't know if I've ever used this. I haven't. So let's see. This is more of a chunkier glitter. I'm going to get the glue out. Don't want that to land on the stick. And I gotta go get the glue. So let me get 3 scoops of this in there. And because it's chunky glitter, the thick chunky glitter will sink. And I want to keep it suspended. So let me get some glue. It's the Elmer's clear glue. And I'm going to, let me mix it up first. See what we're working with here. I apologize in advance for the air purifiers, if you can hear those. I have my fans going, my air purifier going. So I apologize if you can hear that, but I do need it. And I want to thank all of my returning subscribers for sticking with me. I really appreciate you guys. That looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm going to drop 2 drops of glue in there. Just 2 regular drops of glue. It's going to turn this into a slime consistency. And what that is going to do is going to allow the chunky glitter to remain suspended in the glitter. It's suspended in the glitter. It's going to allow the chunky glitter to remain suspended in the resin without not all of it just sinking. So, see how it turned into a slime like? It's hard to show, but yeah. So, let's start with the white. I'm going to set this down right here. And there's a little tiny peg up there for the hanger part, to hang this. So I'm hoping this takes it 2 ounces. I'm going to have a ton of glitter left, ton of resin left. Oh my Lord. Let me make sure I get that in there. Let me get out my little stick to go around the edge. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's do this one. Ton of resin left. Oh my Lord. Yeah, I could have done all of them this color. Well, I have enough to dome it, don't I? All right, so we got 2 ounces left. I'm gonna have 4 ounces of resin mixed left over. So let me get this in there. I use my left hand. I am left-handed. That is a beautiful blue. Let me get this brought up to the little point thing, little doohickey thing. Add some more in there. Okay. That looks good, and we'll do this one now. This one can take a little bit more. There it is, and I will see you at Demolding. We'll see how these turned out. All right, these are cured. These are the extras that I done. That's how much extra resin I made. made up. So we got this one. Very pretty. Let me get some paper. So it looks like on the black. Very pretty. Let's do this one. Again, very pretty. I love that glitter. That glitter is just... We have this one. That is so pretty. Gosh, that is so pretty. And this one. The chunky glitter, it stayed. No, well, some of it stayed suspended. It's a shallow mold, so beautiful. Very pretty. All right, let's get to this one. These molds they're thicker than, or deeper than they appear. Oh, that turned out pretty with the silver. Isn't that pretty? It turned out real pretty. Let's do a blue one. Ooh, I like that's my favorite one. The blue and the silver. Very, very pretty. Okay, I'll probably speed these up since they're the same. Beautiful. Beautiful. I have to put some string in these, and I'll show you what string I'm going to use. I'm just going to use my silver cord string. Get some scissors. Probably don't need to use that little dental floss hack. Maybe on that one I do. So there's the dental floss. Again, I'm just gonna fold it over, feed it through the hole, bring it up, and tie a knot. I want to make sure it stays knotted, so I'll tie another knot. There it is. So there are my ornaments. I'll do the rest of these off camera. Let me know what you think in the comments. Isn't that pretty? Absolutely beautiful. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And to my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. You all have a great day, and God bless. Bye.